Oh, there's nobody here. There's freaking nobody. This is usually crowded. Holy cow. There's usually like 100 people in front of the Falcon. There's maybe 10. Whoa! Let's get a close-up of that. Holy hell.
It's not even 5 minutes. It's how long it takes to walk to the pre-show.
The key to enjoying Disney, friends, is hitting Disney at the right time. I have to get down on that. Whoa. You take a madman like me? Well, okay, go. They must be really desperate for employees, guys. They take a madman like me.
Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. That's a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hello, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me.
I'm here.
And
Color white? Well, I'll have you wait. White here. Thank you.
White here?
I really shouldn't be saying jokes on the Millennium Falcon though, because the ship might crack up.
Oh no. Might crack up.
Happens a lot.
I know. I'm hilarious, aren't I? I'm so funny. Thank you. I'm here every Sunday. If you want to hear more. I got plenty.
Other days.
Any advice to anyone who wants to crash the Falcon?
To anyone who's crashing.
To crash the Falcon, yes.
To not crash the Falcon.
To actually crash the Falcon.
I would prefer if they did it, because I'll be on the ship too.
Oh, howdy
See my
one.
family again.
Oh.
Well, I want you to too, yes.
Yeah, and get paid too on any credits.
yeah, that's
good.
good.
That would be nice if you didn't crash. Because
Okay.
if you crash, then that goes out of our paychecks, which we haven't
Alright.
seen in the last couple of months. So
Howdiness.
Hondo.
I know that.
Who do you work for, Bill Gates?
Get on board. Remember your color, okay?
You must work for Jeff Bezos.
I work for Hondo, who's just
Howdiness.
that sounds good.
Aha. fun of that. That's cute. Ooh, happy one. I gotta go. My crew needs me. We're white. I'm a good engineer.
Engineers, you're going to be hitting anything that flashes because they're going to crash a lot, it sounds like. You're hitting the red and blue buttons on the side, that's going to shoot the laser. Alright, you saying these sides? Alright, you're going
Au revoir. I'll say bring back something French. No, she didn't hear me. Oh well.
Takes you to the planet Soren. You will be able to find the first order train shipment of Coaxium. Got it. You pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, fire an overall course at Bristol.
Do you think you can handle the responsibility?
That makes sense.
All right.
I've also played. I will be coming along.
Did you guys get the in-flight drinks I talked about last time? The in-flight drinks, the stewardess, all that? No? I figured, yeah, okay. You didn't get the memo. That's fine. Belts on, tugging the other tab. Okay, where is the belt? It's here. And there. And there. And there. Tugging the other tab.
Hurry now, time is money. Right engineer, repair this. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down.
Shoot up the down.
Left pilot.
Oh my gosh.
Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Punch it!
Train. Yes. Yes. They're locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers. Fire the horn. Excellent. Now gunners. Shoot the cargo free. Left pilot. Brakes.
Ow! Red button, red button.
Okay. Worse. It's what?
Oh no.
Yes. You got one. Excellent.
We did it!
Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon the last car. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting.
Keep shooting, keep shooting.
My friend.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of there. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. miners of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad.
I got pirate.
Pirate, yar. Yo ho ho ho, pirate.
Time for you to go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
I will trust you. You need those in-flight drinks. It makes all the difference. What?
It's only sizzling a little out here.
Only a little sizzling, not much.
Better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
Hey, you want to see the Hatter exclusive elevator right here? See, this is the elevator. Just only closed it for me. What the heck? See, they usually open the elevator just for me, and it's closed. What the hell? Why? Why did they do that to me? Am I going down the pay grade or whatever? I don't understand.
Why is this January 20th?
Alright, so let's go, guys. Let's go.
That's a shock.
The dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that traditionally, the ribbon dance was performed for royalty as an expression of gratitude and honor. Mulan loves the swirling colors in the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. This centuries-old art form celebrates a rich heritage of bravery and honor.
Look at the neon. Dude, that's great.
And now, Mulan and friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions and heritage of this joyous holiday. Please join them in welcoming Oswald the Lucky Rabbit as we celebrate the Year of the Rabbit. The blooming flower is a comforting symbol for Mulan, as her father taught her that she will blossom beautifully in her own time. The spirited dragon dance is one of Mulan's favorite traditions. She learned from her ancestors that the wise and powerful dragon dances across the sky to scare away bad luck and bring good fortune in the new year. When Mulan was a little girl, her mother taught her that traditionally, the ribbon dance was performed for royalty as an expression of gratitude and honor. Mulan loves the swirling colors of the ribbons. Mulan learned to respect the strength and discipline of the martial arts from her father. This centuries-old art form celebrates a rich heritage of bravery and honor.